Hello, today we are presenting EVA, an affordable wearable device that detects falls and emergencies. Coupled with an all in one medical health app, it creates an whole ecosystem of hardware and software for the care of elderly. This is how the device looks, and we specifically 3D printed this whole device and created this whole prototype within just 24 hours for this hackathon. This is how it looks when you wear it on the wrist, and when the user falls, it detects falls and send an alarm to the caretaker app to take immediate actions. Now, let's talk about the gravity of this problem. More than 37 million people get medically affected by falling. And this increases as we go older in age. Because when we get older in age, above 60, our bones get weaker and we are more prone to falling. And if a problem affects 37 million people, it's a huge issue for the humanity to solve. And thankfully, it's being solved with this product, the Apple Watch. Yes, Apple Watch detects fall, and this has helped millions of people worldwide to live a healthy and safe life. As you can see, there are countless stories like an Apple Watch saved an unconscious man, Apple Watch saves a farmer when he falls, and there are many other cases like this where the wearable technology which detect fall has actually saved many lives. But a healthy life should be the right of every person on this planet and not just the rich. What we are trying here by building EVA is to democratize healthcare for everyone. Basically, we believe that having a good and healthy life should not be limited to the people who can afford a $400 Apple Watch. But a good and healthy life should be accessible to every person on this planet, irrespective of their economic status. Introducing EVA, an $8 wearable device to help everyone live a long life. Yes, just $8. Now moving on to the actual wearable device. As you can see on the screen, this is how it looks from the inside. We took these videos while in the development stage. And this is how it looks while the case is being 3D printed. And these are some other shots of the device. Now as you can see, when we give a hard jerk at someone would when they fall, the hardware detects this fall and sends a signal to the backend that it has detected a fall. And we can see it one more time happening, that it has detected the fall and the screen on the back side has updated the values that it has detected the fall. Yeah, so when the backend updates, it sends a notification and an alert to the caretaker app to take immediate actions. Now onto the app. This app basically is for the caretaker of the elderly. Let's start the app experience from this beautiful onboarding screen by clicking the Get Started button. We are now taken directly onto the home screen, where you can see the names of all the elderly people you are caretaking and their device status. Let's specifically look onto the Rakesh Goyal's profile. This is the elderly details page with their blood group, their age, their sex, and all the other medical health information. All this health information is crucial in the time of emergency, as a single minute could make a life and death difference in that situation. Now back onto the home screen, you can see you can add more elderly people over here, and there is also a medical emergency button which you can press to call the authorities. So this is what we have built, a whole ecosystem of fun, a low-cost wearable device, and two, a seamless app experience which we believe can positively make a difference in this world. Thank you.